Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you one of the most useful features in Microsoft Excel, how to create a drop-down list. Drop-down lists are fantastic for two reasons. First, they speed up data entry so you don't have to type the same thing over and over. And second, they prevent spelling mistakes by ensuring that only specific approved options can be entered into a cell. I'm going to show you the two best ways to do this: typing the lists manually and pulling the list from other cells. First, let's look at the quickest method. Method 1, manual entry, is best for short, static lists. This is perfect for simple yes/no options or small lists that won't change often. Start by clicking on the cell where you want your drop-down list to appear. Next, go up to the ribbon menu at the top of your screen and click on the Data tab. Look for the section called Data Tools and click on the button that says Data Validation. A pop-up window will appear. Under the Settings tab, look for the box that says Allow. Click that and select List from the menu. Now you'll see a box labeled Source. This is where we define our options. Since we are doing this manually, simply type your options here, separated by a comma. For example, if we are doing a status list, I'll type Pending, In Progress, Complete. Click OK and you're done. If you click the arrow next to your cell, you'll see your options are ready to go. Now, let's look at the second method, cell references, best for long or changing lists. This is better if you have a long list of items, like a list of employee names or product codes. First, you need to have your list typed out somewhere in your spreadsheet. I usually like to put this on a separate sheet to keep things tidy, but it can be anywhere. Just like before, select the cell where you want the dropdown. Go to the Data tab and click Data Validation. Change the Allow setting to List. This time, instead of typing in the source box, click inside the box and then go select the range of cells that contains your list items. You'll see Excel automatically filling in the cell references for you. Click OK, and the beauty of this method is that if you change an item in your source list later, say you fix a typo in a product name, your drop-down list updates automatically. And that is how you create drop-down lists in Excel. It's a simple trick that makes your spreadsheets look professional and keeps your data clean. Thanks for watching.